Close your eyes for a second and imagine yourself in 1963. It's a hot, humid summer's day. You're at the Lincoln Memorial. You and 250,000 other people are watching breathlessly as Martin Luther King launches into the narrative that will be remembered forever. Fast forward a couple decades. You're listening to Barack Obama as he's providing the NDC speech that set the stage for his presidency. And fast forward even further, 2022, you're sitting behind your laptop and you're listening to Arnold Schwarzenegger as he is delivering the narrative about the invasion in Ukraine. Three completely different people, three completely different eras, three completely different stories, but the same underlying narrative structure that made their speeches so powerful. This is called the public narrative technique, developed by Marshall Ganz. And in our book, The Dynamics of Business Behavior, we explain how you can use the technique, the story of self, the story of us, and the story of now to create unity, empathy, and urgency that will drive powerful change narratives in your organization.